Belzona 2111 is a durable and abrasion-resistant system designed for rebuilding, repairing, and resurfacing elastomeric or metal components. One of the key factors of a Belzona application is a thorough mix of two-component composites. In this video, we demonstrate how to mix Belzona 2111 by volume. For the mixing, you will need two components, base and solidifier of Belzona 2111, a Belzona mixing bowl, and a spatula. Make sure to always use the manufacturer's instructions for use provided with each product. Using the straight edge of a mixing spatula, push up the top of the base can to open it easier. Then pour the entire contents of base and solidifier into the mixing bowl. Immediately mix both components for at least 3 minutes. Frequently, scrape off material from the walls of the bowl to ensure a homogeneous gel is formed. The mixed material is now ready for the planned application on rubber linings, impellers, wear plates, hoppers, conveyor belts, fenders, and other components of machinery and equipment.